Many people see different shapes and colors during meditation with their eyes closed, which is a real unique experience for those that wish to uncover their true higher self. There's a reason behind why one sees colors during meditation, and there are strategies to help you understand and deal with these unique experiences. Meditation can lead to seeing colors beyond the normal human perception. It allows us to perceive colors that are beyond the limitations of our five senses. You see, our brain's computation of visual information restricts our perception to just a fraction of what is actually available to us in the complete color spectrum. Meditation helps expand consciousness. Through meditation, we tap into just a fraction of what is available to us. Meditation enables us to gradually expand our consciousness and experience more. Chakras are energy centers with colors that vibrate at different rates. Chakras are not visible in a scientific sense, but are understood in yoga and other traditions. There are 9 primary energy centers, each associated with a specific color and vibrational rate. Seeing colors in meditation indicates expanding consciousness. Colors have vibrational qualities known as frequencies associated with these chakras and the universe. Seeing colors when you meditate is often a sign that you're on the correct path and making progress that connects you with your higher self of consciousness. It's quite a positive sign, really. These colors during meditation indicate a deeper experience beyond what is normally perceived. It is recommended to observe and enjoy these colors, linking them to the chakras. This can enhance your meditation practice significantly. Non-attachment is key when experiencing colors while meditating. It's important not to expect to see colors every time you meditate. Develop a sense of non-attachment and let go of any expectations about the experience. Stay non-attached to the colors during meditation. Remember, the colors experienced are temporary. Enjoy these experiences briefly, then return to your meditation practice without attachment. Experiencing colors during meditation can be a fascinating phenomenon and often relates to the state of your mind and energy centers, also known as chakra activation. In some spiritual traditions, each chakra is associated with a specific color. Seeing colors during meditation might indicate activation or balancing of these energy centers. For example, seeing red could relate to the root chakra, while green might be associated with the heart chakra. Chakras are believed to be energy centers within the body, according to certain spiritual traditions, particularly within Hinduism and Tantra. There are 9 main chakras aligned along the spine from the base to the crown of the head. Now let us explore a brief overview of each chakra. Healing chakra. Solfeggio frequency, 174 Hz, has the musical note of F and associated color of deep red. Known as the healing frequency, 174 Hz has been found to have the greatest potential effect on the physical body when compared to the other frequencies. This low frequency could alleviate pain and stress, improve concentration, and give the organs in the body a sense of security. The frequency may also relax muscles and lessen tension in the body, making it particularly beneficial for those experiencing migraines or pain in the lower back, feet, legs, and more. Restoration chakra, Solfeggio frequency, 285 Hz, has the musical note of C sharp and associated color of sky blue. This frequency has been known to heal and restore tissue. It could support the immune system, balance your energy, and help increase the feelings of security and safety. Root chakra, Muladhara. Solfeggio frequency, 396 Hz. It has the musical note of G and associated color of red. 396 Hz can aid in the elimination of guilt, subconscious fears, negative beliefs, and grief, providing a sense of security. Because the frequency generates uplifting energy, it may be effective as motivational music. Sacral chakra, Swadhisthana. Solfeggio frequency, 417 Hz, has the musical note of G sharp and associated color of orange. The frequency can aid in the healing of trauma. It's said to help clear negative energy from your body and space, as well as negative thoughts and behaviors. 417 Hz could help you find the motivation to embrace change while also promoting restful sleep. Solar plexus chakra, Manipura, Solfeggio frequency, 528 Hz, has the musical note of C and associated color of yellow. This is considered one of the most potent frequencies with a higher potential impact on sleep and wellness. Also known as the love frequency, miracle tone, and frequency of transformation, miracles, and DNA repair. 528 Hz could stimulate imagination, intention, and intuition. Moreover, the frequency has been shown to support cortisol reduction, the stress hormone, lifting your mood and putting you in a state of serenity and relaxation, all of which can improve sleep quality. Heart chakra, Anahata. Solfeggio frequency, 639 Hz, has the musical note of D sharp and associated color of green. 639 Hz can aid in achieving mental balance. It can foster harmonious relationships between loved ones and the community in which you live. Plus, it promotes comprehension, communication, and tolerance. Throat chakra, Vishuddha. Solfeggio frequency, 741 Hz, has the musical note of F sharp and associated color of blue. By potentially stimulating the mind, promoting creativity and self-expression, and providing mental clarity, this frequency could help with intellectual work and problem-solving and spiritual awakening. It can also support decision-making, which can lead to a healthier and more fulfilling life. Known as a detoxifying frequency, 741 Hz could be used to help those suffering from chronic pain. Third eye chakra, Ajna. Solfeggio, frequency 852. Hertz has the musical note of G sharp and associated color of indigo or deep blue. This frequency can aid in the replacement of negative thoughts with positive ones, making it helpful for relieving nervousness or anxiety. Stimulates intuition, extrasensory perception, and promotes deeper spiritual experiences. Crown chakra, Sahasrara. Solfeggio frequency, 963 Hz, has the musical note of B and associated color of violet or white. Associated with cosmic consciousness, unity with the universe, and the activation of pineal gland. The frequency is also believed to increase positive energy and provide clarity. All of these chakra energy centers can be further explored with the aid of musical influence that we have written and professionally recorded in our own professional studio right here on our YouTube channel at Let's Talk About That. Take the journey with us as we delve deeper into the world of discovering our unique inner peace and understanding of who we really are and where we come from. What is the best solfeggio frequency for sleep? Although all solfeggio frequencies have benefits that can help improve sleep, the 528 Hz frequency is said to be particularly effective for improving sleep quality and reducing stress. In addition to 528 Hz, research suggests that 432 Hz music has a positive effect on overall sleep quality. Although it's not one of the 9 commonly recognized frequencies, 432 Hz is also sometimes referred to as a solfeggio frequency. The frequency is ideal for use as a sleep aid due to its relaxing and calming effects. It's particularly helpful for inducing feelings of peace and tranquility and slowing the heart rate after a stressful day. I hope this video provides you with a deeper understanding of how color, frequencies, and music are all connected to each other, and how each component do in fact connect us all. And let's try to get a better perspective in the understanding of the how and the why these wonderful things connect all of us to the universe and the universe back to each and every one of us.